Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever created an Excel chart and noticed that the x-axis is showing numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 instead of the labels you actually want? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change x-axis values in an Excel chart by replacing the default numbers with custom labels such as month's name. Let's get started. Here I have a simple dataset containing only sales value. As you can see, there is no separate column for category labels. I'll select this sales data and insert a column chart. Now notice the chart. Excel automatically displays number 1 through 12 on the horizontal axis because it doesn't have any label to use. These numbers represent the position of each data point. Now let's create a separate list of the labels that we want to display on the chart. For that purpose, I'm going to select this first column and then under the Home tab, I will click on this Insert to insert a column, and here I will add my labels. These labels will be used to replace the default numbers currently displayed on the x-axis. Now to replace the x-axis numbers with the values, I will click anywhere on the chart, and after that I will click on this chart design, and here I will click on this select data, and under the horizontal axis label I will click on this edit button. Now I need to select all the x-axis label that I want to add to my chart, so I will select all these labels and click OK, and again I will click on OK, and that's it. Take a look at the chart now. The x-axis no longer shows number 1 through 10. Instead, it displays the month's name that we select. This makes the chart much easier to understand and much more professional for reports, dashboards, and presentations. You can use the same method to replace x-axis values with any label you want. For example, product names, employee names, years, quarters, regions, and categories. As long as numbers of the labels matches the number of the data points, Excel will display them correctly on your chart. So that's how you can change x-axis values in Excel chart. It's quick and easy way to make your chart more meaningful and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turns on notification so you never miss future Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.